Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to download high-quality MP3 in Chrome 2025. Now right here, let's open up our Chrome. Again guys, just use a Chrome browser for this one. Open it up and go to the search bar. Look for the one that's called Pixabay. Alright, you can download any other songs to any other websites, but website for Pixabay is going to be the good one to go. And the best one for it is going to be it's royalty free. So this is going to be the one for you. It's just not any music. You also have different kinds. You have photos, illustrations, vectors, and so on and so forth. Click music right there. Now you're going to have almost 10,000 plus music to go. Simply click on the image to listen to it, to have a preview on how it sounds like. And then the arrow right there gives you the option to download. Three dots right here gives the option to download, play, like, or even bookmark this specific track. Alright? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.